Yo. Hey, thanks for coming back. Just finished putting everything back from this HR swap, man, and appreciate y'all for taking the time out, spending it with me through my journey. Hopefully this bad boy cranks over, man. And we'll go from there, man. Video coming soon. Stay tuned real soon, like right now. Coming up next. Thank you. Appreciate you. Ride with your boy. Yep. All right, I figure I'll document the whole process of me trying to get this first crank, man. Don't mind the interior. It's another how-to documentary video thing I'm gonna be trying to do. So, all right, baby, here we go. Fail. Let's see what happened. All right, second attempt. Fuck yeah! Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it runs, baby. Woo! Guess what I'm talking about. True. What happened was I had to reconnect the center console to get that shit to go, but it works. It doesn't go past 3,000, which I gotta figure out why, but everything works. Yeah.